Good morning, everybody. I hope you are well. Thank you for your welcome. Big bro, thank you for your word. My name is Chelle. I'm a Franco-Malian. My dad is French and my mother is Malian. This is an amazing job for me. I'm so proud and I'm honored. Sorry for my English. Nigeria has a great history, has a rich history. Football from Christian Chakou, Peba, Amokashi, Amonike, Yekini, Saint-Lycée, Taribo West, Obi I forget Baba Gita. I was a fan. And now, this new generation, with Lukman, Oshiman, and the others. I jump at this opportunity to coach the most black populace in the world. For me, the best nation in Africa. I believe Super Eagles still have chance to qualify to World Cup. I believe it. I was a football professional player. I played 400 matches professional. During 15 years in excellence, I was captain. I'm a leader. I played in national team, so I know what a World Cup is important. I know the expectation of the Nigerian people. I love attacking football. This is my philosophy. Football football is about scoring goals. Football is about scoring goals. Football is about scoring goals. My former team scored 42 goals and conceded 13 goals. I'm an ambitious coach and I want to win. I'm ambitious and I want to win. Once again, I would like to thank my agent, thank the NFF, thank the Sport Commission, thank my director, and thank the Nigeria government and Nigerians for this opportunity. I'm ready to work. I come to work, and I'm ready. Thank you very much. I just want, before to talk scoring goals, you need to put in place in a game project. You need to put in place in game project or work in the offense. So scoring goals is a state of mind. You need to be aggressive in goal area, and technically you need to have some close, lots of goals. But the most important is the state of mind and put in place the game project.
What's your game plan?
Game project is about work in offense and in defense. The third thing, you need to put in place in different management, and after that you need to put in place principal technique. You need to be aggressive, make some lot of intensity. When you don't have the ball, you must go to take the ball in the feet of the opponent. You must make a high pressure, and after that, when you have the ball, you can finish quickly with the fast attack, or take the ball and keep the ball with the possession ball. It's my game project. This is for a spectacular game, for giving pleasure to the fan. Ensuite en English. L'intérêt c'est pas Eric Chelle, c'est pas les joueurs. L'intérêt c'est le Nigeria. Le but du jeu c'est qu'on aille en Coupe du Monde. Donc si chacun d'entre nous on doit mettre notre ego de côté pour gagner, nous le ferons. In English, the most important, it's not Eric Chelle, it's not the player, Lukman or Oshiman or the other. The first goal is the Nigeria. To qualify Nigeria. We must win. There is 6 games, and the two, you need to win the next game. Donc, actually, I'm focused on the next game, and after that, we will see the other games. Just one thing, you need to put in place strict rules around this team.
Yes, let me start by saying good afternoon to all of us. First of all, let me, on behalf of the Nigerian Football Federation, welcome all of you to this very important occasion, an occasion of the unveiling of the new head coach of the Super Eagles. We understand how passionate Nigerians are when it comes to issue of football. So from Tuesday to today, Monday, so many things have gone viral. There are social media, electronic media, and what have you. But I want to assure you, Eric is here to work, and Eric is here to give us the results. We gave the technical committee the opportunity and the privilege to work diligently and get us a coach. And they did their work. They do whatever they need to do, and they gave us their report. We look at the report, and we talk with the National Sports Commission. They gave us their own endorsements, and Eric is here today. And by the grace of God, he is here to work. And I want to assure all Nigerians that if Eric can give us what happened in Mali, by the grace of God, we are going to the World Cup. We should not be making all kinds of statements. There's no coach that was employed to Nigeria without having this kind of risk. Look at the record. When you look at West Ham, people will give history of West Ham. How did he come to Nigeria? What was his record? What was the record of Bob Parisio when he came to Nigeria? So I can go on and on and on. So, but the key thing is we want somebody that understands the mentality of African football. And Eric is here, and by the grace of God, he is going to give us the results. So anything I want from all of us, football stakeholders in Nigeria, let us rally around Eric and give him all the support he needed. I know we at the Nigerian Football Federation, as well as the Sports Commission, we are ready to give him all that he required and needed for him to execute his job diligently without any hitches. And I know we are going to get the result. So on behalf of the Nigerian Football Federation, and indeed the National Sports Commission, I want to welcome all of you, and I hope that we will rally around Eric and give him all the support he needed to ensure that at least football in Nigeria take a new look within the next couple of years that he's going to be with us. By the grace of God, tomorrow Eric is going to move to Ekene to be with our Chelle Eagles. He's going to stay there on a supervisory role to look at the team and work with them and see how we can inject some of our young players that are playing within our domestic league. And he's ready to do that. So I want to assure you that Eric has come here to work. Mr. Eric, I welcome you to Nigeria on behalf of Nigerian football and football stakeholders. And I want to assure you we are always very much ready to work with you. And we are very much ready to give you all the support you needed for you to achieve what you want to achieve for Nigerian football. Thank you very much.